So hi everyone, just a quick video on the Subaru Forester 2005 2.5 liters XT. So it's a full option with steering wheel control, and this is what we're gonna see today. First of all, sorry for my English. I'm French and I'm not the best at English. So let's go. Let's see first of all the old head unit just over here. Okay, we want to connect the SWC to the new head unit and make it work. So you have to remove the main harness and this harness, which is the one the interesting one, and you have to disconnect this little plastic plug with a yellow and black wire, which is connected just here, I guess. I don't remember exactly where, but it's connected to the head unit, and it's the ground. So you have to cut this part, or not absolutely, but I've done it because I was hungry, because it wouldn't work. Before seeing everything, I want to say a big thank to a member of the Subaru Forester.org forum. So he is called MMMMM, I think, but I'm not sure about his name, so sorry for him. But a big thank you. It was the third week I was on this problem, and now it works. So let's go. You have to take out on the main harness, which out of the new head unit. You have the key one. It's yellow and orange and white wire. So you have to connect it to this harness, male harness. So it's this one. It's an 8-pin, but there's only 4 wires which out of it. So you have to connect it to the highest one here, and the color no, sorry, you have to connect it to this one. So I've cut it at the back because it wasn't working perfectly if I was only plugging the key one wire inside. So I've cut it. I've put some electrician tape, which is the best and the most professional sealing. And here you have the rose wire here, which must be connected to the ground. So this is the wire which was connected to the little plug at the back, and which I've cut it. So you connect these 2 wires here, the rose to the black and yellow, and the orange white to the blue one. Once it's done, let's start the car. Okay, so no need to fully start it. I don't know why it's working. It was a radio. So you go on the steering wheel control learning here for the TS CC3 2K. It's here, and here you had 255 on each place, but now some numbers have changed. and you can see when I press a button, values change. So you have to set up your buttons. It works. There's tutorial if you want here, so you can see it easily, but we don't care about it. And you just have to set up this, and now your brand new head unit will work with the stock steering wheel control. So thanks for watching. Thank you, and a big thanks to the member of the forum. And let's progress for the next and fix the next issue on the Forester. I give you some news if it's interesting, and if I see some other people on the net who need to know the answer. So thank you, bye bye.